On this part of DVD, I will show you how to do refill for the natural set. Okay. First of all, you have to sanitize her hand with alcohol and your hand. And use a piece of towel. Wipe them well before you start to do it. Okay. Make sure her hands sanitized. Okay. I want you to use a carbide. Send off 50% off. Okay. I want you to send off 50%. Like this. Okay. And I just need you to send off 50% off. Okay. After you send out 50% off, the next step is just use a paper sander, fine paper sander, and just run around cuticle like this, okay? For 10 nails. Okay, after you send off 10 nails, apply EA bond around cuticle for 10 nails. And use the paper towel, clean them well. On this part of refill for regular fill, you use the natural fill to refill, okay? Do not use the natural set for refill. Just use the natural fill only, okay? And just apply overlay one coat like this, far away from cuticle, at least 3 hairline away, okay? Do not apply too close. Press back and forth 3 times. Dip in the natural fill once, tapping, and move on the next finger. Do the same like that for 10 nails, okay? Tapping. After your application for 10 nails, overlay one coat and apply sealer to make it dry, okay? Okay, for 10 nails. After that, you shaping 10 nails. And then the next step, you sanding for 10 nails. Like this. after you just sanding in, make sure the surface to even it out. You don't need to sand a lot, okay? So in case you see the customer nail too thin, you can overlay like twice. You have to do 2 coats, okay? If you feel thick enough, just 1 coat, okay? Depend. And after you sanding the last finger, and you can buff in. With this product, you don't need to buff a lot. Just well enough to make it smooth, okay? And then after you finish the buffing, send the customer wash their hand, okay? After you wash the customer hand, you can apply the sealer again, okay? If the customer have real nail underneath, you have to apply sealer underneath too, okay? Like this. And apply on the top just like base coat, okay? And after you apply 10 nails for sealer, after 10 nail application for sealer, use a piece of towel paper, wipe them out. And the next step is use a gel top. Okay. Do not apply too much gel top, okay? You have to seal at the free edge first, okay? 10 nails. And do not apply too much gel top, okay? Make sure the very little gel top right here. Okay, the next step, apply for the first coat of gel top. You have to make it thin, quick as possible, and far away from cuticle. Okay? After your application for 10 nails, try to apply the second coat for 10 nails again. And this the second coat, you have to go close to the cuticle possible, okay? And make it thin and quick possible too. And after you finish, you wait for 1 up to 2 minutes to make it dry, okay? Okay, after you wait for 1 up to 2 minutes, her nail dry, you can apply vitamin oil for 10 nails and rub them well to finish. You can use a piece of towel paper after you rub them well like this, and use a piece of towel paper, wipe them off. And this is the final when you finish for refill natural nails.